Thinking about getting a Brother ScanNCut? Let's make a t-shirt and see how easy it is to use this machine. Supplies for this project include the Brother ScanNCut SDX 230Di, a t-shirt, iron-on vinyl, a standard grip tack mat, a trimmer, and a weeding tool. In Brother Canvas Workspace, start with a blank canvas. From there, on the left, click the text tool and click anywhere on your canvas and type the text for your shirt. Now let's adjust the font. The font menu is across the top. Click the drop-down arrow and scroll down until you find the font that you'd like to use for your project. Now let's adjust the size of the image. On the far right, there are a list of 5 different options. The second one down is the Edit menu. Under there, you'll find an option for width. Type in 7, and now your image is adjusted down to the size you want. Let's go ahead and click on it and drag it up to the upper left-hand corner. And now we're making a shirt out of this, and when you use text as part of a design for a t-shirt, you want to flip it or mirror it so that it's reversed when it cuts and then it irons onto your shirt properly. Within Brother Canvas Workspace, go up under the Edit menu, click on Flip, and select Flip Horizontal. Now our image is mirrored, and we're ready to send this over to our Brother ScanNCut. To do that, we could be plugged into our Brother ScanNCut, or we can send this over the internet to the machine. So go under File, Export, Transfer File, and then select the second option, Transfer FCM File via the internet, and it'll give you a message when it's ready to go. Click OK, and let's go over to the machine. Now on the Brother ScanNCut, click the Home button. It tells you it's going to move the carriage just slightly on the machine. And then click on Retrieve Data, and then the cloud with the pocket. Your image is being retrieved over the internet and will pop up on the screen when it's here. All right, now we have our image. It is still reversed. We're going to click OK. We're going to click Please Select and select Cut. And then click on the wrench. And then scroll down to find Half Cut and make sure that Half Cut is turned on. Let's say OK. And then we're ready to cut. So we're going to use so we need to trim our vinyl down. So we're using our Cricut trimmer actually, and we're using that to trim our vinyl down to the size that we need for our project. I'm going to place that vinyl on our mat. My mat isn't very sticky at this moment, so I'm using a little bit of duct tape to hold it in place. The vinyl is on the mat face down, meaning shiny side is down. And then I'm going to load the mat into the machine and start the cut process. Once the cutting is done, I'm now going to weed out the pieces and parts of the material that I don't need so I can reveal my cut image. I'm going to use the HTV-RON Auto Heat Press to press the design onto the t-shirt. Simply pull out the drawer, insert it. I have the temperature set to 320 for 45 seconds. It will auto pop up when it's done. Make sure to let this fully cool down before peeling it off to reveal your final design.